What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joven, and Tonic fam, Crow fam, I am back with more bullish content. I am back with another banger of a video for you guys in this one, and we're gonna be covering something very interesting. If y'all just saw my previous video that I uploaded, CZ once again is warning us, letting us know, hey, this is your opportunity. Don't fade CZ Binance, guys. Don't you ever fade CZ Binance. We also have something very interesting that involves Tonic and Coinbase. Someone just shared it. I saw it on my timeline. I was like, this is no coincidence, right? If this is something that you're interested in, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let's get to 2,000 subscribers. Tonic fam, Crow fam, please support the channel. Let's get these videos out there. The more you guys support these videos, the more they get into the algorithm, the more new people learn about Tonic, become a part of the community and the Tonic fam themselves. Also, check out my Tonic playlist and my Tonic shorts. They're doing pretty well, so keep supporting. I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys so much for all the support that you give me on these videos. 23 million market cap for Tonic, up 5.9% on the 24-hour, 311k in 24-hour trade volume, and that watch list that number keeps going up. It's only a matter of time until it's 31,000, and it's all organic, by the way. Tonic is growing so organically, it's crazy to see, man. This is such a bullish altcoin. It's a bullish project. I don't know whether majority of y'all would agree that it's a bullish project. You know, I barely see people hating on Tonic, right? It's just super bullish, right? And the chart doesn't lie. The chart doesn't lie. Up on the 1 month, we're holding strong. We're continuing up further. All it takes is for the big dogs or more catalysts, exchange listings, utilities being unveiled for Tonic to keep going further in the future. Now, let's take a look at the Tonic Twitter. As you guys can see, the followers of Tonic are increasing as well. 56.8k followers, right? We go to the website. Tonic, a tectonic shift in lending and borrowing, cross-chain money market, one of the best DeFi projects in the space. Great TVL, total value locked. It's like this type of TVL you see on layer 1 blockchains, guys. $245 million. Great utilities, insurance fund coming soon. Everything about the project is super bullish, you know. So Tonic fam, we got a gem on our hands with this one. And like I said, I love the chart. The chart doesn't lie, you know. I really did think we'd have this this huge retrace back down, but we didn't. We really didn't. We just retraced, then we started to go up further. I really feel like this could be the start of the bull market, man. And CZ himself is warning us, you know, that could be the case. Tweet from CZ Binance: in bull markets, adopt risk management. In bull markets, adopt risk management. Don't FOMO. Don't put all your investments in one single coin. Not financial advice. Why is this man CZ saying in bull markets adopt risk management? It really does feel like Capo versus CZ Binance at this point. Capo is still trending on Capo is still trending on Twitter, by the way. I almost said Crapo. I don't want to disrespect anybody, but yeah, he's still top trending right now. 17.1k tweets. And CZ's here recently, man. The tweet just happened 10 minutes ago. In bull markets, adopt risk management. Don't FOMO. Don't put all your investments in one single coin. Not financial advice. Bull market. The bears. Oh man, the bears are calling it a day, y'all. They are crapping themselves. Find out You know the rest. Find out, mess around. What shall I do if I already YOLO'd all into Bitcoin? Adopt safe policies. We are ready. We are ready, guys. Why would CZ tweet this? Don't fade CZ, man. Don't fade this man, CZ. Why would he tweet in bull markets adopt? Is it the start of the bull market? Is it really and truly the start of the bull market? Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. I think it is. You know, my bags are packed, so I'm not worried. If we go lower, I'm DCAing in. Okay, I'm buying lower. If we continue up further, my bags are packed. I'm not worried. From Frank B, Tectonic on Coinbase. Coinbase.com price/Tectonic. Look at this. We're being trapped by Coinbase now. This is absolutely bullish stuff, man. About Tectonic, what is Tectonic? And we have a full breakdown of how great this project is. Tectonic is on the rise this week. The price of Tectonic has risen 3.8% in the past 7 days. The price increased by 5.13% in the last 24 hours. Even Coinbase is tracking Tectonic now. There's so many retail investors that, you know, use Coinbase because it's so convenient. They don't know anything about DeFi. They don't trust other exchanges. They only trust Coinbase, Binance, you know. A lot of people only buy projects on Coinbase, and that's it. For Coinbase to be tracking Tonic, that is some bullish news that we have right here. What is Tectonic? Tonic is a non-custodial decentralized coin market system that allows users to engage as liquidity providers or borrowers. Suppliers supply liquidity to the market in order to earn a passive income, while borrowers borrow liquidity with excessive collateral, related to other DeFi projects as well. Very interesting, man. Coinbase listing in the works. What do you guys think down below? I wouldn't rule it out. Let's see what the comment section says. The replies for this tweet from Frank B. Shout out to Frank B for the spot on this. From Got the Sauce, let's go. 2025. From JC Media, does Coinbase plan to list it at some point? I wouldn't rule it out, guys. This right here is super beautiful. that Tonic logo next to that Coinbase logo. This is looking pretty beautiful, guys. I love what I see. From JB Trades, SPY, we did it. As you guys can see, the SPY is looking for a breakout. When we have the stock market open on Monday, expect next week, you know, this week that's incoming, because it's just Sunday then Monday, to be very bullish. A lot of stocks have a primed chart, just like the SPY, right? They have a primed chart and they're looking for that breakout. They're looking for that momentum to break out. Soon as the stock market opens, I truly do see this following week to be very bullish for stocks. S&P 500, SPX, NASDAQ, Bitcoin, Ethereum will follow the stock market. Altcoins will follow, Cronos, Tectonic, and then we'll continue our move up further. Listen to Binance, guys. Listen to CZ himself in bull markets. In bull markets. I'm not gonna fade CZ, man. From Shannon CEO, all the Shiba and Doge holders add Tonic because it's gonna burn a minimum of 2 zeros in 2023 at 150% a month. Do the math based on what you can afford to invest. It could be a profitable 2023. Shannon is thinking we burn 2 zeros this year. Man, that would be absolutely crazy, bro. 2 zeros this year? Oh man, that would be super bullish. Wow, that's a lot of gains for 2023. When I made my first set of videos to start the year, guys, I already said I do feel like 2023 will be an absolutely bullish year. Shannon agrees. Let me know what you guys think down below, man. Comment, man. I see you guys liking the video and I really appreciate it. But comment. Let's have discussions in the comment section. huge 2023, man. 2 zeros in 2023. Whoa, that's gonna be absolutely crazy, man. Let's go back to CZ's tweets. In bull markets, adopt risk management. This is the start of the bull run. I'm not gonna fade CZ, man. My bags are packed. Tonic fam, Crow fam, if you enjoyed the video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let me get your thoughts down in the comment section, guys. Please comment, like, subscribe. Let's keep growing together as a community. More and more people are finding out about Tonic because of my videos, and it's great to see. If you're new to the project, if you're new to Tonic, let me get your thoughts in the comment section as well. Everything Tonic and myself will be in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.